This is an unboxing of the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades. Let's take a look. Here on the back, for any length of hair, each blade lasts up to 4 months, wet and dry use. Fits on all OneBlade products. And it mentions here that we should use scissors. So let's give it a cut. Okay. Nice OneBlade branding. It comes with a nice, looks like storage box, it says. Guess you dispose of this, recycle that. Let's take a look inside. Very nice presentation. As you can see here, this is the 3-pack. Take a quick look at one of the blades. They look great. So yeah, that's everything you get. Hopefully you found this unboxing helpful.